We all seek cool air during summertime, and a pedestal fan is a must due to its ease of use. Let's have a look at some of the best in this video. We have the Lasko 2535 as the 5th best product on our list. Being one of the tallest in its class, this 52-inch space-saving oscillating pedestal fan will put you above the rest. With 3 powerful speeds, adjustable height up to 52 inches, optional oscillation, directional loops to adjust wind verticality as needed, plus a remote control, this fan allows you to create your desired comfort level at your fingertips. The all-inclusive fan will even save space in your home or the workplace with its space-saving design. Now let's check out the features of our number 4 product, the Honeywell QuietSet 16-inch. This is a stand fan, and it is designed to offer quiet, whole-room cooling. This stylish fan features a QuietSet control where you can choose from 5 levels of sound and cooling, including an ultra-quiet sleep setting. The HS1655 comes with a remote control and an auto shutoff timer that can be set for up to 8 hours. It is also available in black as the HS1655. At number 3, let's check out the Vornado Full Size. The Vornado Whole Room Air Circulator, model 733B, is ideal to use in any room in your home or office, as it can circulate air up to 100 feet. It is effective to use on hot days because it will significantly cool the temperature in small and large rooms alike. This full-size Vornado Whole Room Circulator utilizes a Hallmark energy-efficient circulation that can help you save money on your energy bill. The Vornado Air Circulator quietly operates to ensure that no one is disturbed while working or sleeping. Its 3-speed control lets you set the air output to a level that is comfortable for you. A built-in handle allows you to carry the Vornado Whole Room Circulator from one area of the room to another with ease. You can also remove the front grille for easy and convenient cleaning. Next up, our runner-up product is the Lasko Adjustable Elegance. The Lasko Products 18-inch pedestal fan will help you and your whole family stay comfortable in hot summer conditions. It measures 457 millimeters in diameter and is designed to circulate air and cool a large bedroom, living room, or kitchen. This Lasko Products Elegance and Performance Black Pedestal Fan features a 3-speed setting that lets you increase and decrease the airflow. It offers a quiet operation along with energy-efficient superior performance. It is lightweight, making it easily portable from one room to another. The Lasko Products 18-inch pedestal fan 1827 also comes with a tilt-back mechanism and height adjustment to let you direct air where you need it the most. It has an elegant grille and a sleek, space-saving design that will blend well with almost any home decor. It is easy to assemble and requires no tools. To ensure utmost safety, this adjustable fan is ETL listed and includes a fused safety plug. Here comes the number 1 product on our list, the Rowenta Turbo Silence. The Turbo Silence 16-inch 3-speed pedestal fan with remote control is the most powerful, quietest pedestal fan by Rowenta, outperforming leading competitive products both in airflow and silence. The exclusive propeller on this adjustable height fan is made with 5 uniquely engineered blades for the utmost quietness. The control panel can be regulated remotely or manually, has 3 mid to high speed settings, and an additional turbo boost function exclusive to Rowenta that moves air up to 2,436 cubic feet per minute for immediate fresh air relief.
We hope you enjoyed this video, but please don't forget to share your valuable comments. If you like our video, do give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day.